my friend, with my cousin, I mean. This, which looks like Labubu. It's her Labubu. Say hi. What's your bossy? Okay. She's so cute. Her name is Ria, by the way. So let's unbox it. Look. She's so... Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, Nishikra. Oh, it just... So... Oh no, my goodness! So, why is your face upset? We got so cute. I'm not joking, it's really cute. Her name is What's your name, Riva? The guys, wow! حلوة? Yeah. Let's unbox it. It's super cute. بصي ريوا. يلا حلوة. تعالي نركبها. Here is our new teddy bear. Look how cute it is. يلا شوفيها ميرا ريوا. Look at her reaction with it. خدي. Hello? She broke it. Okay, see, don't forget to like, Emily like and share and subscribe. Bye. Emily bye. Bye.